Hello everyone, respected panelists and everyone who is present here. First of all, I am not the participant here, so I am just introducing the topic. So as we all know that IPC has long been the backbone of the Indian judicial system, and BNS is the recent development. So first of all, I am in the favor only that positive changes are required. As we all know, the name is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So Nyaya means social justice. And here, Nyaya reflects what? It reflects the visibility of the Nyaya from the retributive to the reformative theory. And let me take a very good example. Introduction of the punishment of the community service in the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita reflects that there is social justice, reflects that there is Nyaya which provides in the Sanhita. So section 4 is in the right direction according to me, and that is why it is added in the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. And one more thing I would like to reflect here is that the journey from Dand to Nyaya, okay, this journey from Dand to Nyaya reflects that the our world largest democracy abides by the law, and it aims to prioritize what? It aims to prioritize the accused as well as the victims as well. Okay, so that is why changes are required, and these changes, these Sanhita will provide faster, fairer, and everything. It aims to prioritize the citizens of the India. So we are in the favor of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and positive changes are required. Thank you. And one more thing I would like to address here is that being the faculty of the physics wala, we have witnessed that students have lack of conceptual clarity. We have provided you books, and we have a good series of the lectures of BNS, BSA and BNSS. You can watch on the YouTube as well, so that you will get this clarity that what is the time limit, why this time limit, and why these laws are required. Thank you so much.
So it's my pleasure speaking on the topic of Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. I would like to embrace the reform. First of all, I would introduce myself. I am Shrimi Srivastava, a faculty of Judiciary Wala. And I would say that when Sir James Stephen has introduced Indian Evidence Act 1872, he had beautifully written the Indian Evidence Act. And when we say about the changes and reforms we need, definitely we require change, because India is a developing country, and we all know that with the advancement of technology, we all require reforms. And in respect of that, I firmly believe that Indian Evidence Act, whatever provisions were there are certain new additions to those provisions only, whereas we have accepted the digital evidence as a valid proof. I firmly believe to this fact that this reform will definitely build up, or I would say a positive step forward towards the Indian legal system. In the today legal era, or you can say the legal framework, does not only target, or I would say address the present day realities, but also adaptable to the future challenges. We have accepted the digital evidence as a valid proof, in which we all are aware these days online frauds, these days cyber bullying is very rampant. And to address this, and of course these WhatsApp chats, these transactions, these bank transactions as a proof is definitely somewhere help the law enforcement agencies. And if I talk about the law enforcement agencies, the empowerment is also there in Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. Moreover, and lastly, without taking much of the time, I would say that as a faculty, and as a faculty of Judiciary Wala especially, I would like to tell all of you present here that we as a team have created content, and if you would like to see that content, you can definitely check out the Physics Wala app. At the same time, we do have videos on new criminal laws which you can easily check it out on YouTube free of cost. And definitely, if you have any questions to me right now, because of the shortage of time, I'm not available, but you can always reach me out on YouTube, on any whichever social media handles, right? So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, dignitaries, for the time. Thank you. Hi, so what's your name?
Badruzaman Chaudhary.
Okay, so are you a judicial aspirant?
Yeah,
Okay, and targeting which state?
targeting Delhi, and I'm from Assam, so
Okay, so is your law done?
I'm in the last year.
Last year, okay. Now you should start preparing then, I would say. Okay, so आपको ये book मिली, कैसी लगी आपको ये book?
I'm really happy, like I was not expecting this. I came here to attend this event, and after seeing the contents of this book, it's really helpful the way these things are being mentioned, and it's a detailed explanation. The notes are there, so it made my work easier because it will help me in making my notes more simplified.
Definitely, definitely, and I would say कि ये prelims और mains दोनों के लिए आपको help करेंगी. अच्छा, so आपने इस book से जाना है जुडिशरी वाला को या पहले से जानते हैं?
I watch YouTube regularly. I am very much aware of Physics Wala and what they are doing.
Okay.
So
That's
I knew
great.
about it.
That's great. That's great. So wish you all the best for your preparation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Iram.
Okay, so you are a law pursuing student.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which college?
I'm from Faculty of Law.
Oh, that's great. So are you targeting any of the judiciary examination?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, which state?
I am doing Haryana and DJs.
Okay, Haryana and DJs. So that's great. So आपको ये book कैसी लगी?
Yeah, it's quite helpful and it's easy explanatory, and we can understand the difference between old laws and new laws with the help of this book for prelims and mains both perspectives.
So you mean that comparatively study दे रखा है, तो it is easy to
Yeah.
just identify the changes, right?
yes.
चलो, that's great. So आपने जुडिशरी वाला को कब से जानते हो आप?
It's been a quite long that we know judiciary wala.
Okay, okay. So that's so great. Wish you all the best, my dear. Do great in life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Mohammad Atif Zakir.
Okay, so you have completed your law?
No, I'm in my final year.
Okay, which college?
Campus Law Center, University of Delhi.
That's great. So are you targeting any of the state judiciary examination?
No, I have a plan to go in research or doing litigation parallelly.
Okay, that's great. So आप judiciary वाले को कब से जानते हैं?
Last 2 years back.
Last 2 years back.
Yeah.
So have you seen any of my video?
Yeah, I've seen. Even जब मैंने आपको यहाँ पहले first time देखा, मुझे लगा I've seen her somewhere else, but I don't know कहाँ पे. लेकिन जब ये मुझे मिला, तो मैंने आपको recognize कर लिया है. अरे
Thank you so much. So कैसी लगी आपको ये book?
ये बुक काफ़ी अच्छी है, बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपोजर देती है. अगर आपको जुडिशरी के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है तो इसमें काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं और बहुत सारे मतलब क्वेश्चन आयर्स भी और प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें हैं जो आपको बहुत अच्छा एक एक्सपोजर देगी आपकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए, और आप जुडिशरी को इजीली क्रैक कर सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, my dear, for your input and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.